our day one routine of your home workout series. Today we'll train you on the following, that is forward running and backward running, side to side shuffling, and lastly high knee rotation inward and outward side. So get ready for an exciting exercise session with us. It's time to get fit at home. Day 1. Let's learn expert warm-up, forward running and backward running, 30 steps into 5 rounds, covering 300 steps. Side to side shuffling, 15 steps into 5 rounds, covering 150 steps. High knee rotation, outward, 10 reps each side. As we are close to finish our day 1 warm-up, you can feel that the heart rate is elevated, and that was the whole perspective of our warm-up day 1. Continuing, high knee rotation, inward, 10 reps each side.
Hi guys, welcome to day 2. Today we're going to train on the following exercises. First, neck up and down, neck rotation, neck side to side, shoulder middle rotation, middle deltoid stretch, shoulder rotation, chest openers, lat opener, lateral lat stretch hold, shoulder abducted, torso twist. So get excited for this special workout session only for you at home.
Day 2. Let's learn some joint warm-up. We start with neck up and down 10 times, neck rotation, clock to anti-clock 10 times, neck side to side, right to left 10 times. We are doing this warm-up because positioning of neck is really vital in proper execution of any exercise. Continuing to day 2. Now we will be performing shoulder griddle rotation, clock to anti-clock 10 times, middle deltoid stretch hold, 5 seconds each side. Shoulder rotation, clock to anti-clock 10 times. Chest openers, right to left 10 times. Because shoulder plays an important role in performing any upper body exercises, we have to make sure that we warm up our shoulders well. Continuing to day 2 again. Now we will be performing shoulder abducted torso twisting, clock to anti-clock 10 times each side, and then torso lateral lat stretch 5 seconds each side. We will do for 3 times.
Hey guys, welcome to day 3. Today we'll train you on the following: forward bending, backward bending, lateral shift of foot over other, moving on bend over series, full windmill twist followed by half windmill twist, moving on lower body, leg swing, front and back, back to front, lateral to middle swing, inch walk and arch, horizontal shrug, starting with plank series, palm to knee touch, butterfly stretch, split and lat stretch, frog stretch on elbow, followed by hip internal rotation. Welcome to day 3. It's all about extensive joint warm-up. Stretch your arm up and do forward bending for 10 times. Now hold the backward bending for 5 seconds. Repeat 5 times, as the whole movement will make your spine mobile. Let's target hamstring to lateral shift of your foot over other for better range on your hamstring. 10 times bending, 1 time each. Guys, let's continue day 3 with the bend over position. Full windmill twist 10 times for a complete torso rotation. Placing one arm in the middle. Do half windmill twist 10 times single side at a time. Welcome again to day 3. Wow, it was a great spine mobilization. Now let's proceed to do leg swing, lateral to middle and middle to lateral swing, 10 times each side. Continue backward kick 10 times each leg so you engage lower body for better hip hinge. Repeat the front kick again 10 times each leg. Continuing our day 3. Let's get into grounded exercise with super intensity. From the air to mid and mid to ground. Performing inchworm with extra back extension hold. Do this exercise for 5 times. Welcome to day 3 again. Seems like we are getting used to the intensity. Let's challenge our core and get into plank series. Performing horizontal shrugs for 10 times. We'll be continuing our plank series by performing palm to knee touch for 10 times. Seems like our day 3 is getting intense. We'll be performing butterfly stretch by pushing your knees out for 20 reps. We'll be continuing split and do lat stretch for 10 times. Repeat this exercise 2 times. Welcome to day 3 again. We'll be performing frog stretch on your bum 15 reps for 1 time. This will help you to do some abduction work and even to get a good front split. For the better range and intensity, you can perform the same on your elbows. 15 reps for 1 time.
Hey guys, welcome to day 4. Today we're gonna train on following exercises: supine, hand to toe touch, and cutter kicks. So get excited and be ready for a wonderful workout session.
Day 4. Let's work on our core today. We start with supine hand to toe crunch for 10 reps. Supine cycling 15 reps each side. Repeat this combo for 3 times. These exercises will help you in strengthening of your core muscle group, and flexion extension of spine happening will help you to get some fluid moving around your spine.
Hey guys, welcome to day 5. Who likes push-up? The easiest way to build aesthetically attractive body. We are going to perform push-up, mountain climber and plank on elbow. Are you ready for an exciting exercise series and to get fit? Welcome to day 5. Any guesses what we are training today? Yes, you are right. Chest. We'll be performing push-up for strengthening pectoral muscle. 10 push-up on knees, and if you're comfortable performing the same push-up on the toes, do the same for 10 reps. Next is mountain climber. Do 15 reps of mountain climber with high intensity. As the involvement of your body is at its best, that will result in high heart rate and complete recruitment of your muscle. Let's do some balance work and get our core stronger by performing elbow planks. Hold the plank for 1 minute.
Hey guys, welcome to day 6. Today we're gonna train for following exercises. First, burpees. Second, forward bending. So get excited for an amazing workout with us and get fit at home.
Day 6. It's an advanced full body training. So we start with 10 burpees, 20 forward bending. Repeat this combo for 3 times. These exercises will help you to increase your cardiovascular endurance. That will help you to keep your heart healthy. And as it is a full body movement, it will help in performing functional activities in day-to-day life.
Hey guys, welcome back to day 7. Today we'll work on strengthening our leg, the root of our body, performing Bulgarian split, lunges, lateral squat. So, are you ready for an exciting exercise series and to get fit with 48? Welcome to day 7. It's time to train your legs. Perform static lunges 20 reps each side to get beautiful legs.
I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Tap, tap, tap.
Followed by lateral squat set 10 reps each side. This exercise will boost your threshold and make your legs stronger. Repeat this combo for 2 times.
Hey guys, welcome to day 8. It's time to learn some stretches today. So we firstly start with spine global flexion hold, spine global extension hold, lateral leg flexion, middle deltoid stretch, vertical shoulder triceps hold, lateral lat stretch hold, and get ready for some exciting session with us and get fit at home.
Welcome to day 8 guys. It's time to learn some stretches. Stretching helps you to relax your muscle, starting with spine global flexion hold for 20 seconds. Proceeding, global extension hold for 20 seconds. Stretching helps to prevent your muscle from knot. Vertical shoulder abduction tricep hold for 20 seconds each side.
I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Lateral flexion lat stretch, hold 20 seconds each side. Welcome back. I'm sure you must be enjoying your home workout series and today is day 9. So have you heard of hamstring? Let's learn how to train hamstring. Half kneeling hamstring toe touch, half kneeling weight on your hip flexor, half kneeling weight on your soleus. Get ready to kill those hamstrings. Are you excited? Welcome to day 9. Have you heard of hamstrings? Get on half kneeling position and touch your toe. Do this 15 times and hold for 30 seconds.
I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll show you.
Tap, tap, tap.
Hold 30 seconds of sit and reach. Perform this for 4 times.
Tap, tap. Looks very set.
I'll show you. I'll show you.
To get more range and tension on your hamstring and soleus, get into forward bending position and move close to your hand.
Looks very set.
Hey guys, to day 10. So it's time to look to our big body part after a full body journey with us. So today we're going to perform chest and anterior shoulder joint stretch, hold in long sitting. So get ready for an exciting session with us and get fit at home.
Welcome to day 10 guys. Last day of our series and it's time to relax. We'll be performing stretching, chest and anterior shoulder joint stretch in long sitting for 30 seconds hold. And we hope you have enjoyed the digital learning session with 48 Fitness. We are happy that you all could be a part of our 10-day learning program.
This 10-day series finishes today and we hope you have enjoyed the digital learning session with us. We are happy that you all could be a part of our 10-day learning program. Get fit, get going with 48 Fitness.